Hey everyone, it's Tyler from Bitfins, and today we're just going to be doing a really quick video on how to open a wallet and use one in order to be able to actually buy NFTs and start collecting. So the first thing you're going to be doing is going to a website called Eternl.io. This is going to be in the link in the description, but basically this website is a web app for the wallet. You can also download it on mobile and get an extension in your browser if you choose to do so. You'll be on this main screen and you're going to see a layout up here where it says add wallet. You're going to want to click this and you'll pull up a screen right here that says create wallet, restore wallet, pair, and import a wallet. If you are not creating a new wallet, you can actually use a seed phrase, which we will be going over in a second when you create your wallet over here and restore that in your browser. Or if you have a hardware wallet, like a USB where you can store it offline and not have to rely on it being in an online kind of wallet, you would connect it through here on this button. To create a wallet, you're going to click on create a wallet and you're going to just name this whatever you want. So if you want to name this my NFTs, Bitfins NFTs, whatever, that's what you would put here. This would usually just work if you're naming a bunch of different wallets so you know what's in each at a quick glance. You're going to make a password. This is just going to be a password you use for spending. So once you do transactions and you send somebody either some ADA for the Cardano currency or you send them an NFT, you will have to input this password every single time you transact with this wallet. Once you are done with your name and your password of your wallet, you're going to see this next page. If you get into the more advanced stuff with wallets like staking for Cardano, you would usually change this from 1. But since we're just focusing on NFTs and making a new wallet for NFTs, we're just going to leave this at 1 and you're going to hit save. And this screen is going to give you a prompt talking about your recovery phrase. This is also what is known as a seed phrase, which is basically a 24-word list that you will put in. It will be your own unique keys, and the only way somebody would be able to access your wallet currently on Cardano would be through them knowing that seed phrase. So keep this safe, write it down in a notebook, and lock it in a safe or something if you can once you're done. Once you confirm that nobody can see your screen, you're just going to hit continue, and then it will give you your whole seed phrase here. You're going to want to write these down in order from 1 through 24 in the exact order that it does it, and make sure you spell everything correctly because it has to be exactly the same as it's on here. Once you're done writing it down, you hit yes, I wrote it down carefully, hit continue, and then you're going to write in every single word through here in order back what you just wrote down. This is basically just you re-inputting the information so it knows that you had the correct seed phrase. And if you have any issues, you can always click back and then check out a new seed phrase that will populate. Once you go through and make a wallet, you would likely have one of these here. I have a few wallets, so this is why you would see 4, but we'll just assume you have the one, and the one that you have right here would be the NFTs. So this is going to be your main screen after you have made that new wallet. It's going to have summary, which will usually tell you how much Cardano currency you have inside of that wallet, and it will also tell you your active balance, how many rewards you've gotten from staking, which we'll go over in a future video. And then you can go here and token list, and this is where you'll see all your NFTs. So in the future, if you want to see any Bitfins assets, you just type in Bitfins and you can go down and see every single thing in your wallet. It'll tell you the token name, it'll tell you the number, and then it'll actually show you what the assets are inside of the wallet. In this transactions tab here at the top, it's just going to show you any money you've sent in or out, and then also any of the NFT transactions that came through, like any that you received or sent to people as well. To send any ADA or NFTs, you are going to need somebody's address, which you would put here. On this receive tab, this would be the address that you would get if you want to send something to somebody. So this will be your address. Sometimes it will change because wallets do use a ton of them. If you check this down area, you'll see there are a ton of wallets through here. So you can kind of use any of these. It doesn't matter. Your wallet has a main foundation address called a state key, but that's not relevant for anything that we're doing right now. So all you would do here is click copy address, and then let's say you want to send yourself something because that is something you can do. You would click here and enter address, paste, and then you put the amount of ADA that you want to send to somebody. Or if you want to add an NFT, you'd hit add token and scroll down and see any of your NFTs here that you'd want to put in. Once you go through, you would just sign the transaction, confirm it, it'll send it through. For anything like if you need to submit your address for a giveaway, put it on a form for a giveaway that somebody has told you to sign up with, or anything like that, all you're going to do is the same thing as before. Just copy this address and then you would paste this wherever they want that address so that they can access your wallet. And again, this would be the staking, we will go over staking in a future video, but basically it's something you can do to help the network. Some pools do cool stuff. We'll be doing stuff with a Bitfin stake pool where we'll give you free NFTs if you're staking. So that's something we'll go over in one of our next videos on having a wallet on Cardano. For settings, if you go here for settings, you can always update your name and your password for all the different things like that. So if I wanted to change from NFTs, I could change this, and then you would do your current spending password, and then you would enter a new password here if you want to change that. And then for secondary marketplaces, you're usually going to want to have collateral checked for this. So you would just hit this toggle button, hit set collateral, and then once you do that, it will just ask you to put in your spending password to sign a transaction, and then you can now trade on marketplaces. Just keep in mind, you'll need a minimum balance in your wallet to do that. It's usually about 5 to 20 ADA. It'll usually tell you how much you need. So just make sure you do have money in your wallet before you try to do any of that. Thank you everyone for watching. This was just a quick video to show you how to navigate the wallet setup and actually make your own wallet and use it. We just wanted to make sure you guys are taken care of. So if you need to have your wallet to buy NFTs from us or any other NFT projects on Cardano, or if you need to have your wallet set up to get giveaways or anything like that, this would be a quick video that we could reference for everybody. So other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.